Hi friends, so today in this video we are going to cover about one of the important app which most of us need is every day. So that is nothing but Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So whenever we are going to attend a meeting or present a meeting, PowerPoint presentation plays an important role, and we need to present our ideas in a crispy way, in a catchy way. So because of which we are going for PowerPoint presentation. So let's dig into the application better. Just I am giving PowerPoint. Yeah, the application has been listed out and I am going to open it. So this will be the dashboard of our PowerPoint application. This will give you the option of selecting our presentation. Either it is whether it is a blank presentation or some of the theme which is already present in PowerPoint. So just we can click it more themes. So some of the themes whichever is available in that Microsoft PowerPoint presentation will be listed here. So whatever the theme you have selected, or it should be matching with your title or the concept we are going to design. For example, if your theme is related to education, we can just click this suggested theme. So all these cases will be related to the education slide design, and if you need to have something related to business, then click on the business, so that it will give all the slide designs, and the theme will be in the business module. We can prepare our own layout in the presentation, whatever we need. For example, even you can list this theme. So you can see several several slide design has been prepared here, given here. But now I am going for blank presentation. Just double click it. It will open a blank presentation with the title or the name of the PowerPoint as presentation 1. So as you see, the first bar whenever we open a window will be the title bar along with the name of the presentation. So as you see here, as we haven't saved or we have opened it only in the first time, it is given as presentation 1 and with the control bars. Then comes the menu bar along with the ribbon, and several options has been present here. So you can see some predominant menus which is available in this PowerPoint. So this one is file menu, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view and help. So mostly we will be playing around with the home menu option, with the font and paragraph drawing and the editing stuffs. Then we will be going to other menu options. Let's see later in this video. So before starting the presentation or starting editing with the presentation, we need to be clear about the idea, and we need to choose a title which should be catchy for our audience. It should not be very boring, and it should not be very lengthy. It should be to the point. For example, if you are going to prepare a slide for which is related to health, we can't give something which is related to which goes to 4 to 5 lines or like that. Just make it crisp, make it very catchy, and so that it will not get bored for the audience. Now I am going to show you an example of health management presentation. So I can give it as managing our health, or how to manage our health. That will be something catchy, right? How to manage here this is the title, and by default it has some font style. So as you see here, the basic font, the default font name will be Calibri Light, which is related to the heading font, and size will be 16. We can edit as your wish. Now comes the subtitle. Now we are going to give author name, him. So this is it. Once you give it here, I am going to choose my slide design. So we'll go for design. In this design menu options, we have n number of designs which is already available. So I can choose it as a wish. So see. So once whenever we hover on that particular design, it will gives you a preview, so that we have an idea which design we can choose it. So I am going with this design. Okay. For this design also, if you see, some variants will be available. So by default the selected theme will be marked as selected. So as you can see the difference with the other slide, whenever we hover the design will be changed. So once I hover here, see, the color will be changed. So the same theme is maintained and the color has been changing. So see here, this is good, right? So just I am going for this design with this variant. This is it. So then I need to have no presentation will have only one title card, right? I need to add more slide. So how can I do that? So once you go to home, you have new slide option. Just give new slide. Whatever the theme we have selected, whatever the design we have selected, in the same design the new slide will be displayed. Okay. So again here we can add a title, and here the actual text goes on. Okay. So just I am giving some title for this slide as like best ways to maintain proper health. So what are the best ways to maintain proper health? Mostly we can go with the bulletin points instead of typing in a paragraph, lengthy paragraph. Just we can be more precise, so that it will also go to the audience, it will not get bored to them, and also it will make it as simple, and the presentation will be so nice. It will not be so clumsy with all the information. Moreover, presentation is like only the key points needs to be displayed into the slide. Unless and until the audience needs more information, anyway we will be going to explain that. So it should also be self-explanatory, but at the same time it should not be lengthy. So by default we have bulletin points, or else if you don't need that, we can also select from whatever the style we need, whether this one, that, this, or anything. So but by default for this design you are having, by default we are having this bulletin point. I am going with that. So what are the best ways to maintain proper health? Just we can give have balanced diet every day, avoid junk foods, drink plenty of water. Okay. So as of now I am giving like this. So if you need to format the paragraph here, just select it. I need some more space because it should be catchy, and also at the same time it should be readable. So I'm just right click, select paragraph. In this paragraph, if you see, you have alignment that I can choose it as left is right, so left is correct, and then indentation, then spacing. If you see, before and after is there. So before is 10 point, afterwards I need to increase to 12 point, and line spacing as 1.5 line spacing. Okay, so see, it is like it is spread across, and it will be easy for the audience to read also. And then now so I don't want to show all the 3 contents at a time. I want to make it so readable that I need to go one by one as a point. So what can I do? Then I can choose this animation tab from the menu bar, and I can choose any of the animation given here. First, for that I need to select a particular point. Once I have selected this point, I can select what are all the animations I can do for this. It needs to be presentable and professional, and it should be easy to read also. So then I can go for float in. The same thing I can apply for other two also. So before that I need to choose the same float in option, because it should not be so junky. I can't give one float in option for one of the point and other fly in option for other point. It will not look so professional. So when you go for professional, when we opt for professional presentation, we need to make all the animations to be as a single one. So for avoid junk food, the second point also the same thing, I am giving float in. Then select this one, float in. So as you see, the numbers they will be ordering itself, that is 1, 2, 3. First it will show this point, second it will show this point, and third the last point. So in this way we can add a new slide and make a good design and animation also for our new presentation. And one more thing, so previously we have added one new slide, right? For adding another new slide, the same thing, I can click either new slide. Once I click a new slide, this will be the default template for that particular design. So this will display with the default design. If you don't want that, if I can click this arrow button in this new slide option, so that it will have many layout. So if we need this 2 content layout, I can just click it. So you can see the difference, right? So now we have a title and 2 text boxes. The same way we have lot of layout. So if you need, so whatever we need based on our requirement, we can add a new slide. The different layouts will be available in the PowerPoint presentation by itself. So once okay, so our draft version is now ready, and we need to proceed with the slideshow. So how can we do that? We have an option called slideshow. So either we can start a slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide, or present online, or customize our slideshow. So first we can see from the beginning. So from the beginning is, as you all understand, from the beginning is we have currently we have included 4 slides in our presentation. So if we choose from the beginning, This will be the first slide, and then we can press the arrow button or mouse click to go to the next slide. So as we have given animation here, once we press the slideshow, for the second slide it will have only the title of that particular slide. Once I click this arrow button, yeah, awesome, right? So first point has been displayed, then second, then third. That's it. So this will be a good animation and a decent one. So then the next slide, that's it. Okay, so you can see the difference for the fourth slide. Even though you have two boxes, it will be only for the design or development purpose. Even if you can't find out any difference between these two slides when we run the slideshow, because we haven't typed any text. So this is just a container which holds our document or data. So instead of that, this border or this layout won't be appearing in the actual slideshow. Just I can say give an example, that is here I can give junk foods, this one a balanced diet. So this for this sort of layout to be maintained, they have given these two boxes. But if you need the border or if you need some background for separation, we can add it by ourselves with the help of this home options. Okay, so even here I can add junk foods as, like, if anything, what are all the list of junk foods, like oil fried items and chocolates. So those are junk food, that I can add it. But so I don't want to add that in right below of the title, so that I can use the tab. So as you see, so once I press the tab, that particular bulletin will be reduced in size, so that it will have a good look for and also it will give the readability, and also it will help the audience that this is the options under the junk food. This will have a right readability. So junk foods, I have oil fried items, then chocolates, cakes. So these are all comes under junk food. For balanced diet, I can say, for balanced diet I can say rice with dal makhani, and chapati with peas. That's it. So this will be the balanced diet. This is a good food and this is the junk food. And now I wanted to check the this current slide only, the layout of this current slide only. For that, just click slideshow and from current slide. So once we click that from current slide, it will just open the presentation from the current slide. But anyway, now we have only this slide. This is our last slide, so that it will be looking at the same, and it starts from this current position. So this is the fourth slide of our presentation, and we have given slideshow from the current slide. So it has started from the fourth slide, and then now if I click arrow down button, end of the slideshow, click to exit. We can either mouse click or arrow down. So once that is done, our draft version is done, and you can also include any more new slides for further representation, and you can do any customization using this home thing. But one thing, whatever you need, we need to just select it, and after selecting, this will be enabled, these options will be enabled, and we can do the modification. Okay, so this is it for this video. Hope I find that this will be useful for many of you. So for inserting the picture and inserting word art, we have lot more in the PowerPoint. We'll just see it in our upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.